And welcome to this video in the Facebook Ads Masterclass. In the previous video, we discussed writing professional ad copy through the use of a simple 4-step template. In today's video, we'll begin by making some cosmetic changes to our Facebook Ads Manager to ensure a quick view of our campaign and ads performance. Then, we'll start working on how we set up our ad sets, and finally, we'll finish off by making sure all of our ads have the same post ID. Before we get started, please be sure to subscribe to the channel. I release a new training video every day on advertising, marketing, Shopify, and dropshipping. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Load up your Facebook Ads Manager and click on the drop-down list that says Columns. The default layout for the columns in Facebook is a great place to start, but there's some statistics that are essential for e-commerce and business that seem to not have made the cut for Facebook's default. The first thing we want to add is information on link clicks. We want link clicks, CTR or your click-through rate, and CPC or your cost per click. Next, we're going to add some purchase data. We want total purchase ROAS and purchases, as well as the purchase's cost. Alright, let's organize where they'll show up. First, let's delete all the irrelevant information that is just clutter. I remove schedules, ends, conversion rate ranking, engagement rate ranking, quality ranking, and the last significant edit. Oh, I forgot. Add to carts and initiate checkout. I like my data structure just like my customer would flow through my website. I want to see how many people click to the site, how many then add to the cart, then how many proceed to checkout, and then how many people purchase. This makes it so that if I want to see where I'm losing people, I can quickly observe and make adjustments where it's necessary. Alright, let's talk about this one real quick. Website purchase ROAS. ROAS, or return on ad spend, is just a simple math problem. You take the amount of sales dollars generated and divide by the amount of dollars spent on advertising. That equals your purchase ROAS. So if someone's going around telling you all about ROAS, you understand now. I don't know what it is about Shopify and Facebook ads. People love that word, ROAS. Kind of sounds pretty cool. ROAS. Alright, now let's get in and edit our ad sets. If you recall, we did find and add 5 interests to our ad set when we first set everything up a couple videos ago. It's important that on an ad set level, we only have 1 interest. Why? If you have 5 interests in your ad set and you make a sale from that ad set, how do you know which interest that person came from when you receive the sale? It makes scaling an individual interest impossible. There will be times to stack interest and do exclusions, but that's not necessary when you're first starting out. One thing that I like to do before duplicating my ad set, I like to have 3 of the same ad inside of my ad set. They'll all be the same, but for whatever reason when testing, I seem to have gotten better results when giving Facebook the illusion of having an option. Some things, even after $250,000 in ad spend, perplex me. Click the 3 dots next to our ad in the editor and click Duplicate. We're going to duplicate this ad 2 times, leaving us a total of 3 ads in this ad set. Now, repeat this process at the ad set level, but duplicate it 4 times. You'll see this checkbox at the bottom. Don't worry about this and sharing all the post stuff. The post engagement's really not all that important because we're going to be using a single post ID and it'll move the engagement over. You should now see 5 ad sets with 3 ads each. All you need to do is click on each ad set and delete all but 1 unique interest. I also like to rename each ad set to the interest that is left so it's easier to see and troubleshoot without having to dig into the ad when I'm looking at the results. Okay, last part. We're going to go into our ads and share our post ID. Click on one of the ads in the editor and it will open up the ad editor. On the right side, you'll see a little box with an arrow inside of it. Click there and click on Facebook Posts with Comments. This will load a new tab. In the browser address bar, you'll see a section of numbers at the end of the address. That's your post ID. Copy that and go back to your Ads Manager tab and select all of the ads by clicking on the top one holding Shift, and then clicking on the bottom one. See in the middle here? Click Use Existing Post, and then click Enter Post ID, paste, and publish. You're done. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more daily training on advertising, marketing, Shopify, and dropshipping. In the next video, we'll be going over how to find more cold interest for testing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.